Hi, hello and welcome to the SuSanA Working Group Wiki Quick Start Guide. In this tutorial, I will show you the basics of the SuSanA Wiki, how to work and use the essential features of the wiki, and also explain you what this is all about. So basically, the SuSanA Wiki is a space, a private sandbox for SuSanA users, where you can write or include information about sanitation. And the idea behind it is that when you create an article, it will be published and live in the Akvopedia sanitation portal, which you can see here. It has different sections about sanitation, and this portal has been embedded into the SuSanA website. So if you see under resources, there is a menu called Akvo Sanitation Portal. If you go there, you will see the same content from Akvopedia that has been embedded into the website. And well, the idea is that SuSanA has its own sandbox wiki in order to create content and work on it as you go, as you prefer. And once you decide it's finished, you can let us know about it with an email, and we will make sure this content is live and published in Akvopedia, which by default will be automatically embedded in the sanitation portal on the website. Okay, so now that you are a bit more familiar about what the wiki is all about, in order to use the wiki, you simply have to go to your working group. Let's say in this case we can choose capacity development, and there you will be redirected to that page on the SuSanA website, and at the left hand side of your screen you will see a menu called SuSanA Working Group Wiki, and simply click on editing mode. Once you do that, you will be redirected to the SuSanA Wiki, and you will need to log in with your SuSanA credentials. But you will only need to do this once. So even if you log out of the SuSanA website, you will still be logged in the SuSanA Wiki. Okay, so provide your credentials and make sure that your domain says SuSanA, otherwise you won't be able to log in. Click Login, and you will be sent to the overview page of the working group that you selected. In this case, capacity development, which is working group 1. Okay, so now you are inside the SuSanA Wiki. In order to see the homepage, simply click here on the left hand side of your screen. There's a navigation menu, and you can see that it says SuSanA Working Group Wiki Main. Go ahead and click there, and you will see the homepage of the SuSanA Wiki. Here it shows you an overview of all the working groups and a brief description about what they're all about, as well as the working group lead picture on the right. If you scroll down, you will also see a section with tutorial videos. These videos are useful in order to show you exactly how to work with the wiki and how to do different things with its editor. So for example, if you are interested in knowing how to add pictures or create and rename pages, or adding a video, or creating tables, adding references, or a slideshow, you can simply click on these videos, and these tutorials will show you exactly how to do that. And also there are different video guides. I mean, the videos are summarized into guidelines where you can simply download and read in case you need further information. This section of the tutorial videos can also be found on the left hand side of your navigation menu under tutorial videos. Okay, so I'm not going to be very specific in this tutorial because we already have tutorial videos about how to do different things. but I will go through the very basics, which is most likely creating a new page. And to do that, you want to go to the left-hand side of your navigation menu and click under Tools, the Create Page option. So go ahead and click there. And here you simply have to add a title. So let's call it test page tutorial. There you simply click on Create Page, and you will be sent to a page that does not yet exist. As you can see here, it says you have followed a link to a page that does not yet exist. Basically, you want to click on the little pencil icon to the right of the editor in order to switch to visual editing mode. So we go ahead and click on there, and then a pop-up window lets you know that you have followed a link to a page that does not yet exist. To create the page, start typing on the box below. Simply close it and start adding your content. So let's say we have a first title, and then we give it a heading 1, text from heading 1. Then we want a second heading, call it title 2, text from heading 2, etc. Once you're happy with your content, simply click on this page, on this icon with 3 bars, horizontal bars, that says Page Options. There you want to select the categories option in order to see which category this page should belong to. Let's say that you don't know the name of the categories. To do that, you simply have to switch to Wiki editor, which can be found on the tab to the left of the Save Page button. You go ahead and click on there, you say Switch, select Switch, and this will bring you to the back end of the page that you were currently working on. It's a bit different. It displays the code of the page, but don't get scared about it. It's just a different visual editor. And here you can see at the bottom of the page, you scroll down and you can see all the categories that already exist. You can simply click on them. Let's say that this one belongs to the category called Capacity Development, and click on Save Page. So basically your page has now been created and it's already been categorized. But let's say that you would like to rename this page. So here you click on the More tab and click on Move. And let's say that you simply wanted it to call Test Page Tutorial SuSanA. Uncheck the boxes that says leave a redirect behind. Leave the other one checked or unchecked in case you want to follow it. It doesn't matter. And click on Move Page. Now you have renamed your page from Test Page Tutorial to Test Page Tutorial SuSanA. And basically that is how you create a page or modify and rename a page. Furthermore, you can always edit your page by clicking on the Edit tab located at the top of the editor. So go ahead and click on Edit, and let's say that you would like to add further text or delete previous text. Or you would like to insert a picture. To do that, click on the Insert tab and select Photo. Now you can either select a picture that has already been uploaded to the wiki, or you can upload one by yourself from your computer. So let's go ahead and do that and upload one from my computer and select a file. So click there and choose your file. Click on the box that says this is my own work, otherwise you will not be able to upload it. Click on upload. Give it a new name if you want, or the name that the picture already has, and give it a description. Note that this description is not the caption, it's just a description. Click on save, and you will see some information such as the size, who uploaded it, etc. In this case, note that it's 275 pixels. We prefer to upload pictures that are no longer than or no bigger than 200 kilobytes. So closer to 100 kilobytes is preferred. Now there's no way to know exactly here how big it is, but if it let me upload it, it means that it's not that big. If you were not able to upload the picture, then this means that it's probably bigger than 200 kilobytes. This is done in order so that other devices around the world are able to load the picture. That is why we prefer to have pictures no bigger than 200 kilobytes. And also the size of the picture, by convention, we want it to be of 200 pixels. This one is bigger in width than 200, so we want it to resize. Okay, now click on use this image, and now add a caption. This is the title that will appear under your picture. Click on advanced settings. Make sure that the position is aligned to the right. This is what we do by convention. Also make sure that the image type is of thumbnail and the size is of 200 pixels. So we can see here the actual size of the picture, but we want it to be of 200. This will immediately reduce the height as well. So we want it to be of 200 width. That is the convention that we decided. Now click on insert, and as you can see, the picture is already there, aligned to the right, and of 200 width pixels, and with a caption. Once you are happy with it, simply click on save page, and you can either give a description of the summary about what you did or not. And there you go. Your page has been renamed and also now has some modifications and a picture. So once you are finished with your page, now that your content has already been created, simply when you decide it's ready for publication, send us an email so that we check it for, we will proofread it, and also we will publish it. You want to let us know by sending us an email to this address: wiki@susana.org. Once we check it for accuracy, we will publish it, and this will be live both in the sanitation portal and automatically embedded into the sanitation portal of the SuSanA Wiki. And well, if you would like to know more about how to do different things, simply refer to the tutorial videos and see what you can do with the editor. So just play around, and well, if you would like to add further pictures or videos or slideshows, simply refer to the appropriate tutorial videos and see what you can do with the editor. But always ask questions. You can send us an email if you need assistance or if you would like to know more about the wiki. And basically, this is all, and thank you for watching.